In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business card in Canva. We'll go through the whole process from opening Canva to downloading or printing your final design, and I'll explain each part in a simple, practical way so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create a Design. This is where every project begins, and it gives you access to Canva's preset formats and design tools. If you're already signed in, you can begin right away. If not, just log in and head to the main dashboard. Once you're there, select the option to create something new, so you can choose the right layout for your business card. Next, search for business card and choose the size you need. Canva usually offers several business card formats, so take a moment to pick the one that matches your intended use. If you're creating a standard card for general networking, one of the default sizes will usually work well. Choosing the correct size early is important because it affects how your design will print and how everything fits on the card. After that, select a template or start with a blank design. If you want a faster and easier starting point, a template can save time and give you a polished layout right away. Templates are especially helpful if you're not sure how to arrange the information. On the other hand, if you already have a clear vision for your brand, starting from a blank design gives you full control over every element. Now it's time to add your name, logo, contact details, and branding. This is the core information your business card needs to communicate clearly. Keep the layout clean and readable, so the most important details stand out. Make sure your text is large enough to read comfortably, and place your logo in a way that supports the design without overwhelming it. Your branding should feel consistent, so use the same style you already use across your business materials whenever possible. Then customize the design with fonts, colors, and elements. This is where your card starts to feel unique and professional. Choose fonts that are easy to read and that reflect your brand's personality. Use colors carefully so the design stays balanced and not too crowded. You can also add simple design elements to create visual interest, but it's best to keep everything clean and intentional. Finally, click Download or print your business cards. Before you finish, take one last look at the design to check for spacing, spelling, and alignment. Once everything looks right, download the file for digital use, or choose the print option if you want physical cards made directly through Canva. And that's it. You've created a business card that looks polished, clear, and ready to represent your brand.